Hello, welcome to the Hydroponic Batch 1.1 Day 9 update. Important stuff. The other tank was purged earlier this morning, so that's kind of cool. And other than that, there's not a whole lot. So, let's get into it, because I am very sleepy. Starting off with our CO2 ppm, we are running at 471 for CO2 ppm. Temperature of, let me change it to Celsius. There we go. 33 degrees Celsius and 40% humidity. Let's open it up and check it out. Alrighty, quite a bit of growth on the left tank. We've got some really well-established roots on both these two. However, there's not a whole lot happening with this one or any of these ones other than the fact that we're finally getting some green. So that is not great. However, I think it'll be okay. I'm curious if maybe I took off the grow domes too early or if this is attributed to the light. But there's one way to find out. In the next batch, we can replicate this and see if we get a similar result. But let's check our ppm and EC for the right tank. Looks like we are running at 961 for ppm, EC of 1922, and temperature of 31.1. Let's check out the left tank. Alrighty, left tank is running at 989 for ppm, EC of 1978, and temperature of 29.4. So let's graph that, and then let's check out our graphs for today. Alrighty, kind of interesting today. We've got humidity and CO2 ppm. Well, CO2 ppm's flattened out, and the humidity's stayed the same because the distiller's been on both yesterday and today. Temperature's spiked. That's just due to the distiller being on. And then the ppm for the left tank has dropped because it got refilled. And then the right tank is stable. So that's kind of cool. Anyways, sorry this is a little shorter. I hope you guys enjoyed and tune in for tomorrow's update.